Tray, an essence of nature, a foundation of science. The key to wellness, cognitive well-being, and longevity are found in the purity and power of foods drawn directly from nature. More than simply a juice, Tray harnesses the rich, rejuvenating bounty of nature. At Tray's core is the blended essence of the purest extracts of pomegranate, acai berries, and green tea. Originating from the far corners of the world, these incredible ingredients in Tray join forces to create a proprietary nutritional essence that combines the very best of science and nature to bring you the promise of enhanced health, improved mental agility, and maximized lifespan. Known as the miracle fruit from the Mediterranean, pomegranates are the foundation for Tray, grown and harvested today the same way as they have been for centuries. This superfruit has been scientifically shown in laboratory research to support heart health, promote cellular performance, and bolster cognitive function. Acai berries are picked from the cultivated orchards of the rich alluvial floodplains of Brazil, where they draw strength from deep in the nutrient-rich Amazon soil. The acai berries are harvested and processed within a 24-hour period, ensuring that maximum nutrient levels are delivered and the optimal power of this remarkable berry is captured in every drop of Tray. For thousands of years, indigenous tribes have used these berries for health and medicinal purposes. Now, you can experience the same powerful benefits of the acai berry in Tray. Acknowledged as a miraculous health-giving ingredient from the Orient for millennia, green tea is another core ingredient in Tray. Its fresh, natural taste and undisputed health benefits are enjoyed and respected around the world. Studies have shown when green tea is abundant in the diet, the powerful antioxidants and polyphenols have been shown to reduce the negative effects of inflammation and oxidation, contributing toward marked improvements in many areas of physical and cognitive well-being. Tray is more than just a blend of these three powerful superfoods. It also provides some important additional ingredients. GNLD has introduced Inflox, an exclusive proprietary blend of berries that includes a combination of blueberry, elderberry, bilberry, cranberry, blackcurrant, red and white grapes, designed to help protect against the evil twins of aging and disease, inflammation and oxidation. This powerful combination of nutrients in Tray is sweetened precisely with the nectar from the agave cactus. That's not all. The health-promoting properties of Tray are further enhanced with two powerful scientifically validated anti-aging antioxidants, resveratrol and alpha-lipoic acid. Not simply a combination of the right ingredients, Tray is a carefully crafted selection of the very best of these ingredients, drawn from the finest producers to only the very highest standards. The entire process protects Tray's potency and power until it is poured from the bottle into your glass. You'll feel the unique, sophisticated blend of today's science and ancient wisdom working its magic. Enhanced health, improved mental agility, and maximized lifespan. Tray, an essence of nature, a foundation of science, a promise of lifelong well-being.